In front of me is POCO X3 GT, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, go into an app called File Manager. If you never used it before, select Allow in the pop-up, then in the other one, and click on this little icon with a folder at the top next to clock. Now select Download folder. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!